Pour me water, holy water, quench this fire. Pour me water, some holy water, make it quench.
Spells on the beat. Tiwa Savage on this one, yeah. Robos casca. If no be you, then tell me who. Them go sempe. Nobody messing.
Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating this look. This is a natural looking makeup like for summer because it's going to be very hot. It's hot now, but it's going to be super hot. So you know you don't want to be nobody has time to be like, you know, wearing big, like, I don't know, like smoked out eyes. I mean, some people are gonna have time because, you know, that's their thing. But I mean, for the regular average person, you know, you're not gonna have time for a smoked out eye or cut crease and, you know what I'm saying, to the gods and all that. But you still can do something that's simple, easy, going to the party, you know, nice, especially for dark skin. You can put, you know, nice golden, what do you call this again, orangish color on your eyes, and you know, nice wing line with your nice hair, and you know, all nice and glowy and bronze, because you know, when it's summer you want to be all bronzed. You want to be like a trophy, you know what I'm saying, like a golden trophy. I don't know. But for us women of color, you know, I'm just showing you how you can glow, like nice glow, not over the top, no, but it's nice to the point that if you are walking on the road or drop me a mic. But guys, this is the look that I came up with. This is what I would wear like for events or any little thing, any little happenings during the summer, you know, to look nice and cute and glowy and bronzy. And yeah, this is the look. So guys, if you want to see how I got this look, sorry for talking so much. So guys, if you want to see how I got this look, continue watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would so appreciate it, guys. Click the like button, click that subscribe button. I would so appreciate love it. I would appreciate love it. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be priming my eyes, and I'm going to be using my LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. So using the concealer to prime my eyes, because we're just going for this simple look, nothing extra. This is like a dual end brush. Yeah, I'm just blending the concealer. And this is pressed powder to just set everything. This brush, and this is a 224 brush by MAC, but this is not really MAC, this is Aliexpress. But this is the 224 brush, guys. This brush is so nice, so soft. Okay, so we're gonna go in with Fez. I'm gonna use Fez as my transition shade. Oh, is it? No, Taza. Gonna be using Taza as my transition shade, and this is coming from the Saharan 2 palette. Yep. So we're using Taza as a transition shade. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. See that? Very nice. And this is a Saharan palette, guys, from Jwillscool. 221 crease brush from MAC DHgate. Okay, so I want to be going in with this orange color, Zakia from the Jwillscool palette. Pigmented, that is. So this is Zakia. So now I'm gonna be using my Jwillscool. This is my Jwillscool gel liner. So I'm gonna be using, and this is in black, and I'm gonna be using this angle brush, the color Soul Volume Express mascara to just Pretty simple, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my favorite foundation brush. I'm gonna go in with this brush, my favorite. And I'm going in with my one pump. We're just gonna spread this sucker on. Just going into a little bit more of the foundation. Okay, yes guys, so I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go in with my Aliexpress Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Got the camera. Come on, don't play with me now. My beauty sponge, guys, to blend out everything. I'm gonna start off first. I'm out. I'm just using the little that's left. Make it work. And it's not on Amazon, so you know down there myself I have to make it work. Okay. Guys, I'm literally wiping it out because I love this powder so much. So I'm going to be using my pressed powder now. You know what I mean? So I'm going to use a spoon here. Okay. We're just setting all of that with my pressed powder. This is the pressed powder I'm using, guys. Yes. So I'm just setting. Mad people, do yourself. Mad girl Judy, in other sense. Maddie, I got a little contouring thing. Yeah. Cause I feel glad to me I glow up today, you know? I feel glad. Guys, I'm feeling so glad that I'm glowing up today. Guys, I'm gonna be doing a little bit of reverse. I hardly glow up. Cause my face to do a little bit of reverse contouring. Fatty boom boom. All night. Because I want my face to be LA girls. This just helps to smooth my face. Press powder. And I'm just gonna press it right here. Press it. And then just get rid of this. Just gonna blend that away. I'm gonna be using this brush now. I'm gonna be using this brush and my pressed powder to just add some definition to my nose. I'm gonna go in with the Saharan palette and I'm gonna be using Taza. Yeah. And I'm gonna take Taza right here. So now I'm going to be getting some glowing on my, I'm going to be using my Elf Baked highlighter, and I'm going to be using this Tarte Make Every Moment Count Blush Kit. This one, this is my Sylyne brush. Okay, this is the highlighter brush, or contour brush as they said, but this is not really, you see, leave this one, this one, okay. I know I want to go up, but not this much. I still want to look like a normal human being. I love. Okay, I'm gonna use some of the baked highlighter. I'm gonna take a little. Yeah, so just taking a little at my brow bone, because we want to glow right here too. And then I'm gonna take some down my nose. Help the Elf Baked highlighter. I'm just gonna take a little. I don't know, right here, yeah. Just gonna fade it out a bit. See that? And we're all nice and glowy. For a little over my nose. Dusting. Pull the hair down like so. Alright, just add a little tipsy weeny more of the gel. Add a little tipsy weeny more. Right here. And then we're just going to take our hand, just squeeze it down. Like so. Yeah, this is the look that I came up with. I hope you liked it. I hope you appreciated it. And as you can see, I'm wearing my MeetUhair. This hair, water wave hair, guys. I did a review on it, so if you want to see that review, you can check the card that I will attach. But guys, this hair is just amazing. I just love it. It's just so pretty. Wow. It's just so cute. I am so in love with this hair, guys, and the look just goes well with it, you know what I'm saying? Look at that.